that's why I had to find that market gap, man. That's why you always, when you hear us coming in, you'll be the first one pull up in the parking lot with the dog. I see your home, man. You know,
Just,
for
you
the
see
community.
the whole picture. Just,
Yeah, yeah. If you leave them short, then you're probably gonna find them.
Yeah, it's just what our news was when building the boat, because it was through the agriculture.
Cheaper,
Or,
you can get
with the commerce that this is what
geometric.
It's a simple way to get the
appropriate mixture of
fuel air mixture you need,
air
and
in order
then
to
get it right.
for the
and
engine to
runs
run
nice.
properly and run efficiently and cleanly.
Oh.
Now, like,
Oh, here he is. Here he is.
let's see.
why don't you bring that chick over?
Okay.
and
Very
we'll,
big.
scorch it.
Yeah. On cat.
And there's a lot of juice.
Where do you want to set it?
So, butter.
Your oven's on?
Okay, nope, it's not going to be on for a while.
Oh, you still have
Here's
stuff
some
that needs to be baked in it.
spoon for the stuff.
Okay, need a hand.
No.
You're so focused on Am I offending anyone?
Sometimes it's hard to integrate everything into the
Absolutely
experience.
not. I just said that when you're making a dinner, you're so
Broken down.
Have we given that 15 minutes yet?
That's fun.
And maybe I am.
I wanna make a documentary.
Now you got me worried.
So if something happens,
It'll be immortalized for my humiliation.
we have the proof.
humiliation forever.
We have the proof.
Oh, yeah, she's gonna blackmail me. Oh, man.
Ooh.
Do I get blackmailed or do I get blackmailed?
No,
I don't get
you
blackmailed.
did great.
Oh, wonderful. I get the...
You have gravy.
Yeah, come here. Come here.
Probably set like right there or
Come
something.
here.
I can do that in California.
I make document.
Here we go.
That's turkey gravy.
Yeah.
Very good. Spill a little on the side so I get to lump it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I thought we were supposed to turn those off.
Oh,
Right.
You never
Now
put up
we're
the sign
cheating
board.
right now a little bit. Oh, but I
Yeah.
have to take a couple. Happy Thanksgiving.
Put up the sign.
Honey,
Gobble,
couple
gobble.
pictures. Oh,
If anybody wants to pass their plate, I can give them some meat. Do you want to?
Okay.
Thank you.